Hey, Trader Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Now, coffee, as you know, we've been tracking that market for a while now. We've got some really good strategies on coffee, and kind of the latest one we've added in is exceptional as well. So, I wanted to do a quick preview on it. It's our intraday swing trading system. It's called our F swing, and it's flying along. So, this is FTO4 coffee on 75 share bar. So, it's picking up kind of the dynamic moves for the day. If you have a look at last week, it did an exceptionally good job of picking up the sell and buy. You can coffee started to sell off towards the end of the week. It really delivered some great profit. A nice little short there, and then we had just about not quite a break even, but a small loser, and then it just went into this three-pronged attack where it had three quick winners and then finished the week off solidly there. And you'll see the performance on this system last week was 4, 5, 3, 7. So that's for a week. Now that is just exceptional. You can see the weekly breakdown there has been phenomenal. So this system is tracking beautifully at the moment, and its win rate is really good. Let's have a look at the overall stats. Our max drawdown on this system is 1762. That's exactly where we want it. We don't want it really too high on coffee, but the average trade net profit is a massive $476. So you might get, say, 2 or 3 trades a day, and that average trade net profit is huge for an intraday strategy, $476. The win rate is 56%, so obviously just faring a little bit better on the long side, and it's definitely got a good balance between longs and shorts, so it's doing really well overall. If we have a look at you can see the equity graph there looking good. It's trading almost every day. There's about 1 or 2 days that aren't trading on this market, but you can see monthly it's doing very well there. I've got the last 3 months loaded up. It had a massive April, so I'm expecting it to continue strong this month and deliver some really good profit. As I said before, this is our latest strategy. It really relies on price to break out of these price channels. So we have our price channel set up on the chart. Once we get a breakout of the price channel or price closes below on a short setup, then we're into the trade. We have our MACD as well, which confirms our setup. But once we have price breaking these price channels, that's the trigger or the catalyst for us getting into a potential trade setup. And we have our take profit, which is our short MACD take profit option. So once price does break that price channel and it's getting a bit of a sell-off, as soon as our MACD turns, so as soon as we lose that momentum on the MACD and we start to see that constriction of the bands, Bollinger Bands, that'll take us out. And I've got this one set to take us out on the third green dot. So once we lose the pattern of the cells, so our red dots, it'll take us out, and you can see there that it does a very, very good job of that. So again, just picking up some very nice profit on these shorts, and it's been tracking beautifully. So if we add this strategy to what we've already got in coffee, which is our fib trade, we have a very potent combination here going forward. So very excited. I'm going to preview the F swing on coffee on crude oil as well, just a little bit later on. So I just thought I'd show you that system. It's not a complex one, but it's just a nice, easy strategy. And we have our dynamic support resistance, and that really helps to frame the market up as well. And you can see here, there's a number of options. One strategy that we're using as part of our F swing is obviously a breakout of the price channel, but also too, we've got the ability using our dynamic support resistance to take trades based on price getting close to or hitting that resistance level there, the red dots you can see there. The other thing the price channels help us to do is frame up where support resistance are as well, because you can see the prices hit that price channel, come back, it's hit our resistance level, so that's like the perfect sell setup for us, as I mentioned before. And the take profit option there again is just to either hit support and close the trade out or run the trailing stop. But again, if you're not using that dynamic pullback, basically just trade the intraday swing based on price breaking those price channels again. So it seemed to do a very, very good job of picking up both the longs and shorts, and this is a really nice strategy on coffee. So thanks for your time today. Just a very quick look at our F swing, and we'll be doing more videos on this. So we'll give you a lot more information about the strategy and how it's tracking on a number of the commodities that we're trading in, and also the currencies. Cheers. Hey traders, thanks for spending time with us today. If you'd like more information on how to become a GMT Futures and FX automated system trader, it's very simple. All you need to do is send us an email, info@gmtfutures.com, or you can email me at shane@gmtfutures.com to get started. Or alternatively, you can give us a call on 617-336-00875, and we're happy to take your calls and have a chat to you about our systems, and particularly some of the ones that we've previewed today. So stick around, we're going to preview some more videos and do a bit of an update on our stats for obviously May, and how some of our other multi-systems and single systems have performed for this month. No doubt if you've been tracking them on YouTube, you'll be able to compare how they've been tracking over the last 6 or so months. So thanks for your time. Have a fantastic rest of the day, and we'll catch you on our next update. Cheers.